We ran out of gas, so now we have to get a new car.
We're off to another factory adventure today. I'm back with Sasha, who has in his hands the outside shell to your robot, and it's like very stiff carbon fiber. And where are we headed?
To the fiberglass / carbon fiber factory. What they made does not fit. There's the LED diffuser, and it just doesn't fit.
You showed me some pretty crazy photos, so I'm pretty eager to see it.
Yeah.
We're actually halfway there. That right there is our first DD, and he ran out of gas. Sasha ordered us another car, but we're waiting on it for it to arrive. Pretty typical factory adventure in China.
Right. Oh wow, you can smell the resin in here.
Oh, yeah.
So if you guys don't remember Sasha from the last video, you're making food delivery robots.
Yeah.
These guys are making what for you?
So they're making the casing for our robot. We
Okay.
prototyped the casing in fiberglass, and then once we were happy with the result, we went over across the street to a different factory where they're making the cases out of carbon fiber.
Awesome. Well, let's explore a little bit.
Yeah, this is pretty much emptied out for Spring Festival.
Yeah, starting in a few days.
Spring Festival is the giant holiday here in China, and so all the factories are starting to shut down. Wow, look at these. These are pretty cool. That's crazy. Wow, the finish on this is really nice. Everything is white. It's just covered in fiberglass dust. So it seems like all of the characters here are for, like, I don't know, amusement parks and stuff.
It's actually a really cool painting technique.
Wow. So I think this is actually fume mitigation.
Yeah, this actually captures the particles so that it doesn't go into your body, into your lungs.
Right, and just float around the room and contaminate everything. Yeah, so this track goes all the way around out there to the painting area. And then they've got these like heat lamps up here to dry the paint. I've seen paint setups like this before, but nothing this big.
Yeah.
All of the characters are like facing the wall. I can't get any shots of any faces. And I wonder if it's because they're like so creepy. Like nobody wants to stare it directly in the face.
Making box.
Like a homemade table saw setup.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah.
Good enough.
Wait, I think they're making a fiberglass mold.
Yeah, this is a process I don't know much about.
A lot of effort involved. Sometimes you see the finished products, but you don't know what goes into them.
Totally.
Going to the carbon fiber factory now.
Sasha's trying to debug with them why one of their parts doesn't fit. Well, apparently they also make hockey sticks here. So this thing at the bottom, it looks like they're doing downward dust collection. Usually like fume extractors suck things up. It looks like it's pulling the dust down through the perforated holes in the top. It's a pretty clever idea. There are just piles of hockey sticks everywhere here. There's a bunch there. There's more there. Apparently it's their big order right now. So this is the water decal applying table for hockey sticks. So they definitely make hockey sticks. That is a lot of hockey sticks.
These are like car parts, these like mirror covers. They also make drones. Super solid.
Kayak paddles. Oh, these are shin guards. The horse saddle.
That's the horses.
Yeah. No more hockey sticks. So what is that?
This is the mold for our robot. All of our casings were made with this thing.
Okay.
I'm not entirely sure how it works, but we get casings. Can we see this here?
Probably heavy.
This is the mold for our KiwiBot. Like, the carbon gets poured into here. I'm not entirely sure about the logistics of that, but essentially this forms under pressure.
I didn't realize they were working in here today. So this was already laid up somewhere else, and they're gonna put this back in now.
They're not the same. They're supposed to be the same. This is 3D printed by Max. This is vacuum formed by another company.
Not these guys.
So it seems that the vacuum form people made a mistake and not the carbon fiber people. So we're going to take the 3D printed piece as well as the carbon fiber piece and the vacuum form piece back to the office, have the vacuum form supplier come over and show him the mistake that he made. It's just a couple millimeters, but it's wrecking our whole process.
Sounds like another day manufacturing in China. Well guys, that about does it for this carbon fiber and fiberglass factories tour. If you want to see more videos like this one, hit that subscribe button down below. And if you've got an idea for a factory you'd like me to go visit and take you guys along with me, leave a comment below with what you'd like to see. Until next time, stay tuned for more adventures. I'll see you soon.